Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something super exciting lined up for you. Today, I'm unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Plus. This is one of the most anticipated releases of the year, and I can't wait to dive into it. This is the latest and greatest from Apple, and it promises to bring some incredible new features and improvements, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. The packaging, as always, is sleek and minimalistic, just what you'd expect from Apple. So, let's get straight into it. The anticipation is killing me, and I'm sure you guys are just as excited. Alright, let's start by slicing through this plastic. Always a satisfying moment. Now, lifting the lid. This part never gets old, does it? And there it is, the iPhone 15 Plus, front and center. Just look at that beauty. First impressions? This thing looks sleek. The design is just so refined and elegant. I mean, Apple has really nailed the design this time. The attention to detail is impeccable. Okay, let's set the phone aside for just a second and see what else we have in the box. Typical Apple minimalism here. They always keep it simple and clean. We've got the usual paperwork, warranty info, quick start guide, and of course those iconic Apple stickers. I know some of you collect these. Next up, we have the USB-C to Lightning cable. This is a big deal, folks. Yes, you heard that right, USB-C. Apple has finally made the switch, and it's about time. Finally, Apple has made the switch. This is going to make charging and data transfer so much more convenient. No charging brick this time, but hey, that seems to be the norm now. It's all about reducing electronic waste, which is a good thing. Alright, let's take a closer look at the iPhone 15 Plus. This is where the magic happens. This model features a 6.7-inch OLED display with that sweet promotion technology. It's buttery smooth, guys. The colors are vibrant and the blacks are deep. Under the hood, we've got the new A16 Bionic chip. This is a powerhouse of a processor. It's supposed to be a beast in terms of performance and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just browsing, this chip can handle it all. And don't even get me started on the camera setup. This is where Apple always shines. Triple lenses with LiDAR for that enhanced AR experience. The possibilities are endless with this technology. I'm definitely going to test this out in another video, so stay tuned for that. There's so much to explore with this camera. The finish on this thing is just, wow. It's got a matte texture that's both premium and comfortable to hold. It feels great in the hand, and looks stunning. And let's not forget the color options this year are just stunning. Apple has really outdone themselves with these choices. I'm holding the Pacific Blue variant, and it's a real head-turner. This color is just so unique and eye-catching. Alright guys, that's it for this quick unboxing of the iPhone 15 Plus. I hope you enjoyed this first look. I'll be diving deeper into its features and performance in my upcoming videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Stay tuned for more exciting content.